Hi there. Recently, a fraudster cheated our German buyer using Narang Medical's name. While the police are investigating, let's expose how he traps the innocent customers. Step 1. He makes a deceptively similar website using a domain name similar to Narang. All pictures, specifications, and even company history is stolen from our website. He even uses our net logo on his WhatsApp DP. Step 2. He contacts unsuspecting buyers on behalf of Narang Medical and offers super low prices. He even provides our quality certificates. Step 3. After you pay, he blocks you. What can you do to save yourself? It would be best if you verify the legitimacy of the person you are dealing with. Go to narang.com/verify and enter their email address, URL, or full WhatsApp number. Our smart system will instantly tell you if he is genuine or fraud. Now you can do business with 100% confidence. Please inform your entire team to prevent similar fraud. Thank you.